अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। किनार पटवारी का जो पेपर 2023 में मुनाकिद हुआ था इवनिंग में, और इसके जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स हैं वो मियाँ वाली खुशा पक्कर, मुजफ्फरनगर, मीर खान, बिजी खान, टोंसा, कोनाडू, इनका जो पेपर मुनाकिद हुआ था उसके जो क्वेश्चंस हैं वो ये हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, China Gandhi talks were held in. The right option is C, 1944. Question number 2. Which country accepted first? Question number 2. Which country accepted Pakistan first? The right option is A, Iran. Question number 3. When India annexed Junagadh? The right option is C, February 1948. Question number 4. In Microsoft Word, subscript strike-through is known as. The right option is B, grunt effect. Question number 5. Operating system, editors and debuggers comes under. The right option is B, system software. Question number 6. I am Buddha dash son of God. The right option is D, at. Question number 7. The antonym of deny is. The right option is A, acknowledge. Question number 8. Abdul Qadir Khan. Nuclear Research Laboratory was set up in Ohota. In which year? The right option is B, 1976. Question number 9. Change device. Please take your seat. The right option is B, please be seated. Question number 10. Control plus B is used for. The right option is B, bold. Question number 11. In my MS Word, which shortcut key is used for a redo? The right option is B, Control plus Y. Question number 12. Warsak Dam is situated on which river? The right option is C, Kabul River. Question number 13. This stated religion of Pakistan is. The right option is A, Islam. Question number 14. Which is the largest district of Arta by population? The right option is A, Pajor. Question number 15. In which year Iran would rough around the Baghdad Pact due to military revolution? Right option is C, in 1959. Question number 16. What components are found in the CPU? The right option is A, CPU, CU, and ENU. Question number 17. What is butter margin? The right option is C, margin that is added to the by-name side of pay when printing. Question number 18. Synonym of word tyrant is. The right option is C, dictator. Question number 19. Which Pakistani scientist recently designed for first is eco-friendly aircraft engine? The right option is B, Saira. Who is she? Question number 20. The idiom "a-hearted art to crack" means. The right option is B, a difficult person or problem. Question number 21. Find the appropriate words. Make a dash while the sun shines. Right option is A, hey. Question number 22. Call on means. Right option is A, pay a visit to someone. Question number 23. In MS Word, which key is used for spelling checker? Right option is D, F7. Question number 24. What is the theme on the Connect of computer application? Right option is A. Change the overall color and color. Question number 25. In MS Word, the name of the font that presides is. Right option is A. Letter. Question number 26. The default name of newly created MS Word file. Right option is A. Document. Question number 27. Desktop computer usually refers to. Right option is A. Microcomputer. Question number 28. Wuhan city of China was on lockdown for how many days during COVID-19? The right option is C. 76 days. Question number 29. Formulas in Excel start with. The right option is A. Isabel this time. Question number 30. Whereas a computer mouse moves over the table surface, the dead black wall is. The right option is A. Stationary. Question 31. Which of the following is a way to access secondary memory? Right option is A. Random access memory. Question 32. And the Independence Act Code. Royal Exers Descent on. Right option is C. 18th July 1947. Question 33. In which year the Lebanese Doha Agreement concluded? The right option is B. 2008. Question 34. The largest country of Africa by area. The right option is B. Algeria. Question 35. Dash and dash are the smallest and largest font size available in. Size too long for Medic toolbar in MS Office. The right option is A. Art and 8 and 72. Question 36. Which of the following menu item is used to create a chart in MS Excel 2016? Right option is B. Insert menu. Question 37. Which organization established by UK, Australia, and New Zealand in 1931? Right option is A. Commonwealth. Question 38. What is the cause of 90% case of lung cancer? The right option is A. Tobacco and smoking. Question 39. You cannot close MS Word application. The right option is B. From File menu, choose Closed submenu. Question 40. Which of the following is not antivirus software? The right option is C. Oracle. Question 41. A swimmer reduces friction between their body and dash to streamline their flow. The right option is A. Water. Question 42. You can auto-fill the width of column by. The right option is C. Double-clicking one column. Right border on column header. Question 43. Control plus U is used for. The right option is A. Underline. Question 44. Which of the following you can paste selectively using the special command? The right option is A. Right option is D. All of these. Question 45. Which one is not a function in MS Excel? The right option is B. Average. Question 46. The first caliph of Umayyad who became caliph in Spain. The right option is A. Abdurrahman I. Question 47. What are inserted as cross-referencing MS Word? The right option is D. Word fields. Question 48. The first woman to climb Mount Everest. The right option is C. Jampu Tayupi. Question 49. Which function is used to display the current display and time in Excel? The right option is B, no. Question 50. Who was the second Governor General of Pakistan? Right option is C. Khwaja Nizamuddin. Question 51. In MS Excel, the chart wizard. Right option is A. Question 52. By default, MS Word automatically saves any document after every. Right option is B. Question 53. If y less than 30 and x and y is equal to 7, ratio 5, then the value of x is. Right option is C. Question 54. When the Soviet Union invaded Afghanistan. Right option is B. Question 50. Which of the following is used to capitalize the start word of paragraph? Right option is B. Question 56. I left my shoe under the kitchen table. The underlined word is which part of speech? Right option is C. Question 57. RJ45 UTP cable has dash cables. The right option is C. Question 58. Advanced dialogue corps is same as. Right option is C. Question 59. Which sign is used in the formula to use absolute deference? The right option is C. Question 60. How to insert row in a table quickly in MS Word? Right option is B. Question 61. What did display the content of the active cell in Excel? Right option is C. Question 61. What display the content of active cell in Excel? Right option is C. Question 62. Which shortcut key used to change the font size in MS Word? Control plus A. Control plus Shift plus F. Right option A. Question 63. What is the storage capacity of a standard floppy disk? Right option is B. Question 64. Which type of computer are used in smart organization for specific task? Right option is A. Question 65. Question 65. The word web feature. Right option is A. Question 66. Based on keyboard key is used in a Microsoft Word 2. Right option is C. Question 67. Which shortcut key is used for print preview? Right option is B. Question 68. To pry wolf means. Right option is C. Question 69. Which toolbar is used to open a Microsoft Word file? The right option is a standard toolbar. Question 70. Pakistan and Iran put established RCD in. Right option is B. Question 71. Which of the following is used in water purification? Right option is C. Question 72. Who was the Viceroy in India during the Second World War? The right option is B. Question 73. In which of the following questions select the related word from the given alternative? Seek and daughter. Seek and daughter. Right option is A. Question 74. Find the next number in the given number series. The right option is A. Question 75. Express 0.2 air sieves as a percentage. Right option is A. Question 72. What type of food illness is dengue? Right option is B. Right option is C. Question 77. What is this shortcut key for? Clear all formatting this selected text. Right option is A. Question 78 is sanitaries elected in Pakistan for how many years? Right option is 6 years. Question 79. Sol for X in the equation. Right option is B. Question 80. The own end of power button is typically located at. Right option is D. Question 81. Control plus space is commonly used to open. Right option is B. Question 82. In Microsoft Word, what is added to the right of paragraph? Right option is A. Question 83. In MS Word, what is decision to extend this selection to one line up, press dash key from the keyboard. Question. Right option E. Question 84. In MS Word, to highlight text line or any particular formatted paragraph we use. Right option is A. Question 85. Who this modest unit of information about a report in a database is called? Right option is D. Question 86. A computer cannot boot if it does not have. Right option is A. Question 87. Which of the following is input device? Right option A. Question 88. Among the following prophets, whose nation was awarded with Mona Selva? Right option B. Question 89. Which of the following is not an element of computer spreadsheet interface? Right option A. Question 90. In MS Excel, to open an existing workbook, you can click the open button on the dash toolbar. The right option is D. Question 91. Allah Park सुधर हर अनफाल की आयत 17 में शायद रमाते हैं. सो तुमने इन्हें कत्ल ले किया लेकिन डैश ने इनको कत्ल किया और आपने आपकी मर्जी ने thank you Allah darena wu thank you otavia musubano wu pentosin ki minute ka fwab. Who of us did Bilashwala tarafus and never rajan what I had. Right option is it A. Question 92. Put mapiska of sana hai. Right option A. Question 93. Tai fish sekiamra the right option A. Question 94. Why do you use a cardism kill hair? Right option B. Question 95. Must you malike pisekardata? Right option A. Question 96. The got the mesta the name who wali vieshit nizavalepne fiskimika. Right option is B. Question 97. Awami shayr galaxy kid shayr kuyad hiryata. Right option is B. Question 98. बतूत में गाड़ी में कौन से शहर मशहूर है? राइट ऑप्शन इज बी. क्वेश्चन 99. मशहूर नज़म मुतजज़र इस्लाम किसने लिखी? राइट ऑप्शन इज सी. क्वेश्चन 98. क्वेश्चन 100. अनफाता का क्या मतलब है? राइट ऑप्शन इज बी.